G'day guys, Dom here from AC Solar Warehouse. I'm here today with the new three-phase battery from SolarEdge. Let's get it out of the box and have a closer look. Alrighty, we've got a quick install guide. Really good packaging to keep it safe in transport. Technical specs. Here's the battery itself. We're going to pause for a second and get this up on the table for a closer look. Here you go. So we've got the backup interface, the new three-phase SolarEdge home battery, and the top cover and floor stand to help. So let's put it all together. The floor stand? Yep. Okay, here we have the top cover for the new three-phase battery from SolarEdge. Beautiful, yeah. For just grid connect and time of use shifting with the battery, you don't need this, but if you add this to the system, you get full three-phase backup. That's proper three-phase backup capable of running three-phase loads. It's not three single-phase backup circuits or anything like that. So it's a really great solution for three-phase homes.